We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone won't turn on. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be worrying and quite annoying as you think your iPhone may be broken, but don't worry, we've got some fixes you can try. To get started, we're going to try doing a forced restart. Press the volume increase button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Now, what you want to do is go and keep this held down. Within around 10 to 15 seconds, the Apple logo should hopefully go and appear. When it does, go and release, and it should go and start. Your iPhone should then go and start, and hopefully the problem has been solved. If it still hasn't and it still won't turn on, what you want to do is grab its charger and you want to go and let it charge for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can try doing the same steps, and hopefully it'll then start and turn on. Leave a like if you found this useful.